This is the 12 pack of the Blue Buffalo Homestyle recipe beef dinner with garden vegetables dog food. This is the adult recipe here. So this is 12.5 ounces per can. Just got the flip up lid right here. Get this in a 12 pack. Blue Buffalo is some really great dog food. They made some really great recipes. Like it says here on the front, healthy, holistic. When you look at the ingredient profile here, just says some really good stuff. We did a lot of research on dog food, and this is really a great dog food. We're very, very pleased with it. We like the fact this is what it looks like here when you put it in the bowl. He eats 1 can of this per day, so it's plenty of dog food. It's very nutritious for him. We switched from a different brand to the pate, where it was just, the texture was just so different. It was like solid as a rock. This is like very mushy, and he really enjoys it a lot better than the other one. He's able to chew it a lot better, and it's just a really great high quality dog food. We also use the Blue Buffalo dry food, which we're very happy with, but this home style recipe here, he really likes it. We're a repeat buyer of this brand. We pick up 2 of these 12 packs at one time. We run low, we just replenish it. But easy open flip top cans here. We serve them 1 of these per day, 12.5 ounces, and just a really excellent dog food. So if you're looking to make a switch, or you're looking for some really, really great dog food here, definitely check it out. It's the Blue Buffalo Homestyle recipe beef dinner with garden vegetables for adult dogs.